Describe this crazy match in your view.
Um, I don't know, man. I think it's just two teams that got a lot to prove to people just competing and trying to do their best to get a win. And fortunately, we were on the winning end of it. It was a back and forth game from the beginning. Despite our little intermission we had in the first quarter, I think it's been a game of runs. You know, when you play against a Spanish team, you got to expect a run. They're going to run you to death, and I think they did a great job with that. Dublevic did a tremendous job keeping us on our toes from being a five that shoot threes. I mean, you don't really see that. I mean, we used to fives with that back to the basket. I think him shooting threes was an advantage for them just because it was able to keep guys like Mike out the paint and they were able to space the floor. But I mean, in the second half, we started the third quarter really great defensively, getting some stops and getting back into the game, and came down to a last shot. And Zoe, who's probably one of the most poised guys here, took his time and got us a victory.
At the start of the third quarter, you had that great sequence. What was your pulse at the moment? What do you think?
I mean, I just like to compete, man. I'm just a basketball player. You know, I don't have a certain skill that I do really well. I just play hard. And on defense, sometimes when I get in the zone, I really feel like I have, control over my own destiny. And I was able to put some pressure on the ball, get some stops, and get two really, good steals and get to the foul line. So, I mean, coming off the bench, you got to be some type of spark. And, my shots is not going to fall all the time, but I can control how hard I defend. And tonight was just an example of it.
Interacted with the crowd again, as always.
Yeah, I mean, I just love being in Pioneer. It's a closed environment, really intimate. A lot of fans. I was on the bench and I saw a little kid who was on my left that was just cheering super hard with his little towel, and I was thinking, man, this little dude probably don't know what's going on out here, but the energy that he had, I kind of fed off it and just wanted to do the same when I got in the game. You should find a picture of him. If I'm sitting on the bench, he was straight ahead all the way to the left, the last chair, little dude, swinging the towel. That'd be a great picture for tomorrow.
We'll try and find him. 3 wins in a row for you guys. Confidence going up at this moment?
It's yesterday's news. I mean, one thing about something like this, when you feed into it too much, you can hit rock bottom. I mean, I think it's a good step for us moving forward, but there's a lot of work to do. I mean, we had a chance to get an 11-point lead tonight, and we cut it down. They cut it down, and you ended up tying the game. I think it's something that we can learn from and try to improve going forward to where maybe we don't need to come down to a last shot. But, I mean, for the confidence standpoint, I think it's helped us, but we also know we got a lot of work to do.
Thanks, Sean.
Thank you.